have seen many times and everybody has learned this. Take any number and raise its power to 0, then you will get the answer as 1. Here, 5 to the power of 0 equals 1, like 6 to the power of 0 equals 1, 7 to the power of 0 equals 1. You know this. I have taken all positive numbers. They are all equal to 1. Let's take negative number. Negative 5 to the power of 0 equals 1. Negative 6 to the power of 0 also equals 1. All of them. Here I have taken integers. Now if you take non-integers also, like a half to the power of 0 equals 1. 3 over 4 to the power of 0 also equals 1. Or any rational number. Square root of 2 whole to the power of 0 equals 1. Square root of 3 whole to the power of 0 equals 1. And you also know the most beautiful, stylish, irrational number is pi, which is approximately 22 over 7. But that's not the exact value. Pi to the power of 0 also equals 1. Listen guys, whatever number it may be, either positive, negative, or rational or irrational, if they are all raised to the power of 0, you're gonna get the answer of 1 always. All of them know that any number raised to the power of 0 will get the answer of 1. But the problem is why it is like this, why it happens. So here in this session, we are going to see the proof why it is 1. Why if you raise anything to the power of 0 equals 1. So you must be knowing this property. We know that a to the power of m over a to the power of n equals a to the power of m minus n. If you have same base and there's division between them, you subtract the powers. Now what we're going to do is put m is equal to n, substitute. So we get a to the power of n over a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of n minus n. And as you already know, n minus n is equal to 0. So we get a to the power of 0. And the other side, left hand side, suppose you have 5 over 5, that's equal to 1. 6 over 6 equals 1. 8 over 8 equals 1. Same numerators and denominators equals 1. So you have 1 on left hand side. So therefore we get a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So you have proved. So if it is anything, you put anything 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, anything to the power of 0, the answer will always be 1. Is that clear? But there is an exception. Don't go away. You should know this. It's very, very important. 0 to the power of 0 is not equal to 1. 0 is the only number in the world whose power, if it is raised to 0, will not give you the answer of 1. But rest all the other numbers will give you the answer of 1 if raised to 0. Only except 0 to the power of 0 is not equal to 1. Now what's the problem? Why? Why is it like that? I will tell you that also. This is clear, right? A to the power of 0 equals 1. So here a can be any number except 0. Now what is the problem of a being 0? If a is 0, then what happens is the denominator part, a to the power of 0, that becomes 0. The denominator here becomes 0. And if denominator is 0, then the fraction becomes undefined. So left hand side is undefined. So 0 to the power of 0 equals undefined, or it is meaningless. If you see 0 to the power of 0 anywhere, you can remove it, break it, cut it, do whatever you like. So anything to the power of 0 is 1, but 0 to the power of 0 is not 1. So you can see 2 to the power of 0, 3 to the power of 0, pi to the power of 0 is always equal to 1, but not 0 to the power of 0. So I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and always supporting and making LK Logic as the best channel ever.